Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will be discussing about the text functions, remaining text functions wherein we have already discussed about the trim functions, len functions, concatenate function, upper functions, lower, proper, substitute and replace, and also we have discussed about the find functions. Today we will discuss about search function, left function, right function, and mid functions. That's all about the text function we will be discussing today. And today we will complete the text function. So let's start from the search function. Okay, search functions. So as usual, I'll take the help of the help book wherein we can see what is the meaning of the search function. Search functions helps you to locate one string within a second text string. Okay, and it will give you the number of the starting position of the first text string from the first character of the second text string. Okay, so we will see with the example, like first we will use any letter, any text value. Let's suppose skill is cool. Okay, now I want to search. Just wait. I want to search K in skill school. Okay, so search. It will return the number of character at which a specific character or text string is first found, and reading left to right. And remember, search is not case sensitive, it is case insensitive. So it will give you the number of characters. So what is we are going to find? It is we need to find K. And as I already said that it is case insensitive, we can put a small k as well. Within text, this scale is cool. And for now, we can leave the start num parameter. And we will discuss about the parameter as well. So it is giving you the position second, okay? But you can see in the skill is cool, there are k present in, and as usual, if what we need to do, if we need to search second k in the skill school, so we will discuss that as well. Okay, so it will giving you the position of the character where we need to find that particular uh, letter in that text. So herein it is saying that the the position of the k is 2. Okay, so let's learn the syntax. So the syntax of the search is find text, within text, and start num. Wherein find text is required, within text is required, start num is optional. Find text means the text that you want to find, and within text, the text in which you want to search for the value of the find text argument, and wherein start num means the character number in which within in the within text argument at which you want to start to searching. Okay. That means where you want to start your search. Let's say for the skill school, I want to search the second K. So we have to ask this search function to start the search after the first K. So we have to put the start num there. Okay. So let's discuss. Hope it's all clear about the syntax. Let's discuss about the remark. The search functions are not case sensitive. Already told you that it is not case sensitive. Let's say instead, I search for small k. Instead, capital K, it will still give you the position 2. Okay, so it is not case sensitive. And if you need to find with a case sensitive, then you need to use find functions. So here it is the difference between the find and search function, wherein find is a case sensitive functions and search is a case insensitive functions. And herein, in the find functions, we cannot use wildcard characters. However, we can use the wildcard characters in the search function. So let's discuss what is wildcard characters. In the wildcard characters, there are two characters present. One's in first is question mark and other is asterisk. So the question mark means it matches with your any single character, and the asterisk means it matches your any sequence of characters. Okay, so I will tell you about the difference between the question mark and the asterisk. So let's use a search function now. Okay, I'm discussing the wildcard character. How can we use this wildcard characters? I don't know which character I have to find, but I have a clue that after this I need to find the value of I need to find the position of that value. So as I already told you, I need to find the capital K, which comes at the second times of this text. So how can we find this? We can find this by using question mark and then O. So question mark here, it will search for like the text. It will search for the position of the value which will be prefix of O, and that is capital K. Okay. So this is the find text, and within text is skillizkool, and start num. I'm not going to use anything. So let's see what it will give you the position. I don't know. I have made any mistake. Okay. I didn't put any. Please put double comma in double quotes. Okay. So it gives you the position 10th. So let's count the position of the second K. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here it is 10. So with the help of the wildcard characters, we can find um, the second K of this text. If to find this second K through the find function, we can also find the position of second K through the find function as well. But in the find function, we cannot use wildcard characters. So let's see how we can use, how can we find the second K? And herein it is case sensitive. So we have to put uh, herein we can directly find K because first is small k and the second is capital K. So it will directly give you the position of capital K only. You can see that herein we get the 10th position. Let's say if it isn't capital, then how can we find next K through the find functions? So it gives you the value error because this K isn't available in this uh, text value. Okay, so let's use find function. Find the text K, small k, within the text, this text. So it will give you the second position, but we need second K. So what we can use here, again find function, because the start num will tell you that from here we have to find the uh, value which like we have to find the text which we need it. So herein we again can use find function, and which is the text, again k, small k, and within the text this, and we can ignore the start num. So herein it will give you the position 2 again. So what we want, that we want to find the second k after the second position. That means if we will add +1 to it, so it will give you the output 3. So it will find the k after the third position. Okay. So then you will be able to find 10th. Hope understood. And if you want to see the output of this formula, then you can search with Fn F9. It will give you the output. Here it is only. It is showing 3. Okay. And for previous formula, use Control Z. It will take back to you previous formula. Hope you understood. So I have shown you the same thing using find functions, search functions, and using the wildcard characters. So hope you understand what is the meaning of the question mark. Question marks is for only single character. Let's say uh, you want to use, like, you do not know about the two letter of the text. So you can use double question mark. Okay. And herein, like O, instead Z. So it will give you the value of L. Okay. Because double question mark takes one L, then space, and then Z. So it will give you the position of L. So the sixth position. So let's count it: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is giving you the space, the position of the space. Let's say use only single question mark. Then what is the output? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And it is giving you the value of I. मतलब first question mark. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I is the question mark and then Z. So it will give you the position of I. If we will put one more question mark, then it will give you the position of space, that is 6. Okay. So that is all about the question mark. So question mark we will use for replace, for match for only single character. What if we have to match with the sequence of character? For that we need to use the asterisk. Let's use search function. I'm not sure for which character, so I'll just put hash and Z within the text. This. What do you think? What would be the output? As asterisk, look for a like a sequence of character. So before then Z, it is having SKILL space I. So it will look all the sequence of character. So it will give you the position 1, because it will look for the sequence of character, like the first character of that sequence. So that is S. Look, here it is. So hope you understand about the asterisk and the question mark. And here in the remarks section, if the value of find text is not found, the value error value is returned. We have also seen that. And if the start num is argument is omitted, it is assumed to be 1. And if the start num is not greater than 0 or greater than the length of the within text, it is also give you the value error. Okay, so these all are the examples. You can look onto it. So basically, the difference between the search and find function is search is case sensitive, and here in the search we can use the wildcard characters. But in the find functions, it is case sensitive, and it is wherein we could not use wildcard characters in the find functions. So that's all about the search functions. Let's discuss about the left function. Again, we will take the help with the help book to understand in the better way. So the left functions helps you to return the first characters or the characters in the text string based on the number of characters you specify. Okay. So let's suppose we need to extract the skill from the skill school. So how can we extract it? Let's discuss about the syntax as well. So the syntax of the left function is the text and second is num characters. So here in text is required and num characters is optional. Text means the text string that contains the characters you want to extract, and the num characters means it specifies the number of characters you want left to extract. Okay, and it is optional. So let's choose a text only and do not put anything to num character. Let's see what is the output. So by default, num characters is 1. Herein you can see if num characters is omitted, it is assumed to 1. Means it will extract you the first position, first text of that text value. If number characters is greater than the length of the text, then left returns all of the text. Let's say we the number of this we don't know the number of this like length of this text. How can we calculate? Think of it. We have discussed it. I hope you got the answer by using the len function. It will the len give you the number of characters. 13. Total number of characters of in this text is 13. So using the left function and text, instead I'm putting 14 here. So it will give you the whole text value. You can see here. Okay, that's what it is discussing. If num characters is greater than the length of the text, it will gives you the all of the text. And num characters must be greater than or equals to 0. So this is all about the left functions. So left means it will always count from the left to right. Let's say you want to extract a skill from the skill school. So using the left function, selecting this text, and we do not know like the like the number of characters of the skill. So we can use the len function of this. Oh, sorry. I'm just complicating little bit to understand in the best manner. Number of characters is like we want to extract till skill. So we can use the find function here as well. Okay. How? Like the easiest way is to put the number. Like we need to extract the skill from the skill school. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we will put 5, then it will give you the skill here. Okay. But I want to make more difficult. Instead using 5, I want to make it dynamic. So how which functions gives you the position as in the result. either search function or find functions. So let's use find function. Find function find the text means we have to find the space. Okay, within text, this start num we can ignore. So let's see what it will give you. F1, F9. It is giving you the 6, but we want only 5. So that means we have to minus 1, because this find function gives you the position of the space, but we need the value till skill. So we have to do minus 1 from it. So it will give you the 5 position, and then it will give you the skill text from the skill school. Here it is. So I have discussed both how to use a static formula and the dynamic formula. Using the find function, you can make it dynamic, or using the position directly for using manually, you can make the static formula. Okay, so this is all about the left functions. Let's discuss about the right function. Right function, first take the help of help book as usual. As in the name suggests, right functions helps you to extract the character from the right of the string. Okay, right of the text string. So let's discuss about the syntax. Right, having the syntax is as in text or num character, same at is left. So what is the text? Scale is cool. Number of characters that we want to extract, it is 4. And likewise here, we can use the find function as well instead of 4, that I have already discussed. So it will give you cool as in result. Okay. So this is all about the right functions, likewise the left functions. You can see the example which is already present. So this is all about the right functions. Nothing much difference between the right. It always extract the uh, text from the right. Let's discuss the mid function. Mid returns the character from the middle of the text string and given a starting position and the length. So herein what does it mean? That it takes the parameter as a starting position and the length as well. Let's take the help of the help book. Okay. So mid function returns a specific number of characters from the text string, starting at the position you specify and based on the number of characters you specify. So from this line, we can get that the parameters which will be required is text, start num, and the number of characters. Okay. So text is required, start num is required, num characters is also required. So nothing is optional here. So what is the text? Scale is cool. Start num is let's say I want to start from sixth value, and number of characters um like 4. It is giving you I said. Why so? It isn't IZ, it is also calculating the space. So the one space is before I and one space is after Z. So it is giving you the 4 text. Let's discuss not 6, rather 8, and use 4. Okay, so it starts from Z and at O. So likewise, we use the mid functions, and through that, um, to use instead of using 8, you can use find function here, or in the find functions add the number of character. No, we have to just for in the start function we can use the find functions. Okay, so this is all about the mid functions, and the number of characters herein we can use the len function, okay, to make the dynamic formula. If you like select only uh just like len of this word, then it will take the, as in the number of characters is the length of this text. Okay, so just explore yourself, explore the example, and you will be able to understand in much better way. So this is all about the mid functions, and if a start num is greater than the text length of the text, it mid returns empty text. Okay, and if a start num is less than the length of the text, but start num plus num characters exceeds the length of the text, the mid returns the character up to the end of the text. If a start num is less than 1, mid returns a value error. So these three things keep in mind. If a start num, let's discuss it. Mid function, text this. If a start num is greater than the length of the text, we have calculated 13 and put the 14. So, and the number of characters are 2, 3. So it will give you the empty string. Okay. And second line, it is saying if a start num is less than the less length of the text, let's say use 11, and but start num plus num characters exceeds the length of the text. Um, Total is 13, 11 and 3 is 14. So it is exceeding. So mid returns the characters up to the end of the text. Let's see what would be the output. It is giving you OOL. Okay. So start num is 11. That means start from O, but we need three number of characters. OOL. Let's put 4 here. And then it is again giving you the OOL. That means it will give you the value till end of the text. If start num is less than 1, it will give you the value error. Okay, like -1, it will give you the value error. So this is all about the mid function. You can explore the different example. So this is all about the text functions today. If you have any doubt and want to discuss regarding any one of the text functions, including these functions, so you can mention on the comment. I will discuss in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.